Okay, I need to buy some food. Let me check my bag. Phone, keys, wallet. All right, I'm ready. I think I need milk. And maybe some fruit. Oh, and bread too. Let's go to the supermarket. It's not far from here. The weather is nice today. It's a beautiful morning. I like mornings like this. Not too hot, not too cold. There are not many people outside. That's good. I don't like crowded places. Oh, I'm almost there. That was quick. Here we are. Let's get a cart. This one is fine. Okay, let's see.
Where should I go first? Maybe the fruits?
Yes, fruits first. I like fresh fruits. They smell so good. Let's take a look. Apples, they look nice. Red or green apples? I like red apples more. I'll take a few. What about bananas? These look fresh. Not too green, not too ripe. Perfect. I'll take some bananas too. What else do I need? Maybe some milk? Oh, here it is. There are so many options. Whole milk or skim milk? I think I'll take this one. This looks good. All right, into the cart. Do I need anything else? Maybe some bread. I like fresh bread. This one smells nice. I'll take one. Oh, and maybe some juice. Orange juice sounds good. This one is perfect. Okay, I think that's everything. Let me check my list. Milk, bread, fruits. Yes, I got everything. Let's go to the cashier. The line is not too long. That's good. Hello. Just these, please. Thank you.
Of course, no problem.
That's not too expensive. Perfect. I got everything I need. I feel good. Now I can go home. Maybe I'll cook something later. I'm still a little hungry. Okay, let's go home.